We talked about a very sharp back edge to this storm system coming through, and it was virtually parked right over 131 throughout the day today. Here are some of the snowfall totals. The highest ones that were taken up until 7 o'clock this morning. They take snowfall measurements twice a day, right around 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning and 7 or 8 o'clock in the evening. So this is up through 7 o'clock in the morning. Delton coming in with 4 inches down in Berry County, 3 inches in Kalamazoo County, 2 inches there in Matawan. Out at the airport at 7 o'clock this morning, it was about a half an inch. We've only seen about a tenth of an inch here at WZZM 13 today. Over in East Lansing, raining and snowing right now. Many of the grassy areas have seen that snow accumulate because temperatures are above freezing. A lot of the snow has been melting as it's been falling, as has been the case down in Battle Creek as well. From the Dudley STEM ES school there, only 38 degrees, but at least the snow is melting. You can see the back edge of that snow from last night parked itself right along 131 to the west. We knew it was going to be mostly rain and stayed all rain there, so you got no accumulation as expected. The heaviest bands of snow were between 131 and 127, and they continue to push east here overnight tonight. There's still maybe a few snowflakes mixed in with the raindrops as we head into the next couple of hours. The real bad weather has been out east, where there's been severe weather through the Metro DC area on up into eastern Pennsylvania, but that storm system was right on tracks moving into southern New York State right now. A couple of degrees colder, and we could have dealt with a lot more snow instead of rain here in West Michigan. But clearing skies now taking place here overnight tonight, but we're still going to hang on to a few showers yet this evening. It's cool where it's raining and snowing, only in the mid-30s where at least a little bit of sun has come out. Now up into the low 40s, including here in the greater Grand Rapids area, but it's a very cold low 40s as the winds have been gusting to over 40 miles an hour at the lakeshore. Those winds will only slowly come down here tonight. So a couple of hours more of some light rain here at Grand Rapids, cloudy skies this evening, and then clearing skies overnight, and we'll get up close to 50 with some sunshine during the day tomorrow. We'll take a look at your weekend, which looks pretty good as well, and that's a little bit later on.
Well, today's weather was pretty much awful. It's going to start looking a lot different tomorrow.
George is outside on the weather deck to tell us about the big warm-up, George.
A huge warm-up, lots of sunshine. Temperatures will get close to 70 by the end of the weekend. We certainly dodged a bullet here, at least in the greater Grand Rapids area during the day today. We told you last night at 11, a very sharp back edge to this means there was going to be rain to the west and snow to the east. That's pretty much how it played out here today. 13 weather ball is red, and that means warmer weather ahead with some sunshine for a change. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Still a couple of sprinkles of rain here yet this evening through about 11 o'clock, and then skies will clear late tonight, and we'll get down into the low 30s, but a very stiff north wind here this evening. See the back edge of the precipitation right overhead right now. Some very light rain falling out here on the weather deck. All of the heavier snow fell between 131 and 127. A very narrow band from about Kalamazoo on up through about Ionia to Alma, just about where it looked like at 11 o'clock with no accumulation at the lakeshore as expected. But now we're looking at clearing skies taking place here later on tonight. We've got several clear days coming up thanks to a big ridge of high pressure that's building out here in the Midwest, and temperatures are going to be warming up nicely. So once we get rid of the clouds, we'll get rid of this precipitation as well. Here you go, hour by hour, those north winds are going to start to lighten up a little bit, but they'll still be a little bit breezy at the lakeshore here tomorrow. But lots of sunshine, and just with April sunshine alone, we're going to get up close to 50 degrees. That's still a little bit below average for this time of year. Just a few high clouds just kind of filtering through very late Friday night and during the day Saturday. We'll call it mostly sunny to partly sunny, but temperatures up another 10 degrees, perhaps up near 60. And then during the day on Sunday, we'll start out with lots of sunshine, but later on, late on Monday, we're going to start to see some precipitation move on in. That will be for Monday, not over the weekend. Other than that, we've got a warm up on the way, but we've got cool temperatures in the 30s and low 40s right now. Look back to the west, already into the 50s, and I think that's where we're headed here tomorrow, up near 50 degrees. And then we're going to warm our way up to near 60 on Saturday, and check this out on Sunday, getting up close to 70 degrees. That will be quite a change from what we have seen the last couple of days. Forecast for tonight, the winds will stay up along the lakeshore as skies become mostly clear. It'll drop down to around 31 to 33. Up north, you'll see a few evening sprinkles and then some clearing skies taking place. Temperatures will wait until very late tonight to fall below freezing. Roads will be dry by then, 29 to 31. And from the greater Grand Rapids area southward, you can see there are a number of river flood advisories and river flood warnings because of all the precipitation. The river levels are coming up to bank full or even higher, maybe even flood stage in a few areas. Again, some evening light rain with breezy conditions and then clearing skies late tonight. Temperatures then dropping down a little bit below freezing. 10 degrees every day, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. A couple of showers to the north Sunday night, and then a chance of some afternoon thunderstorms Monday and Monday night. And then we'll drop back into the 50s as some showers linger around in the morning on Tuesday. 13 on target forecast. Everyone's looking forward to the Easter holiday weekend. We're going to have dry and sunny weather with a warm up through Saturday, but it does look like there'll be some scattered showers and thunderstorms coming in on Easter Sunday itself. But a big change from what we've had here over the next couple of days.
George, that forecast looks like spring.
It is, finally.
Thank you.